We're working on the bus to make it like a mobile home, like an RV.
We got the bus this past summer, started on it in August, and it's been a great project so far, and we're looking forward to completing it over the next year and a half or so.
The beginning when we first got the bus was just getting everything ripped out of the bus so that we could put subfloor and stuff in. We've been working on the bus for about a semester and a half now, and we've just been getting it ready for framing and subfloor and all that. Now we've just been working on framing the closets, and our next thing is plumbing and electrical.
I took carpentry in middle school for 2 years. We do a course it's like a 10-hour OSHA course to get certified for that. You use like the measurement scales and those types of things on the bus.
Aside from the traditional carpentry and construction skills, there's a lot of problem solving because we're not starting with a square or rectangular foundation and going up from there. You've got a lot of things you have to work around, so they've got to look at what we have going on, figure out the best way to work through it, and then make it work. It has to be pretty substantial. We can't just put like, quarter-inch plywood up here and start hanging stuff on it. We'll probably have to use something like some 1x6s, 1x8s.
There's been problems along the way, like we've had to working around the gas tank because it's in the way of everything. We had to go under the bus to take the seats out because all the bolts were under the bus, and so somebody had to be above the bus while somebody was under it.
And that's one of the most rewarding things, is seeing them attack a problem, find a way around it, work through it, come up with a solution, and then make it work. They're learning things that they can use down the road, either in their own home, RV, vehicles, things like that. So it's kind of a multifaceted project.